Welcome to Study Loop.
So to show that the total number of atomic states in a shell of a principal quantum number of n is equal to 2n squared, we're going to consider the fact that the angular momentum quantum number L runs from 0 to n minus 1. So if n is equal to 3, this is going to be 0, 1, 2. Okay, so the maximum number of electrons a shell can hold is the sum of the electrons in its filled subshells. So this number, n, is equal to the sum over L equal to 0 to n minus 1, because that's our range of L, of 2 times 2L plus 1. Sorry, I forgot the plus 1 there. Okay. We can expand this, right? And what this is equal is 2. Let's just replace it. If L was equal to 0, this would be 1, right? If L was equal to 1, this would be 3. If L is equal to 2, this would be 5. And so plus dot, 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 and then it would be 2 and minus 1 plus 1. Right? Because the maximum number is when L equal to n minus 1, so this would be 2 times n minus 1 plus 1. Close the bracket. Okay? So 2 times n minus 1 plus 1 is the same as 2n minus 1. So this is equal to, this is a bracket, not a parenthesis. 2 times, I have 1 plus 3 plus dot, dot, dot. And 2n minus 1 plus 1. So that's 2n minus 2 plus 1, or 2n plus 1. Or excuse me, 2n minus 1. Right? But so the quantity in the bracket has n terms whose average value is equal to 1/2 times 1 plus 2n minus 1. So the number of electrons filled is therefore equal to n is n 2 times 1/2 1 plus minus 1. So carrying this out, simplifying this one, 1/2 cancels with that 2, and this one cancels this one, minus 1. So this becomes 2n squared. That's because the quantity in the brackets here is has n terms whose average value is 1/2 times 1 plus 2n minus 1, to the two values. You see that? So it's just half the max min added together. Okay? So that's how we simplified that, and we got this. So for part B, where it says which shell has 50 states in it, we want to know when n is equal to 50, and find big N, capital N, is equal to 50, and we'll find the little value, which is the shell. So we have E is equal to 2 squared. In other words, divide both sides by 2 and then take a root. So 50 divided by 2 is 25. So it's the square root of 25. Root of 25 is simple. So this is the OL. And is the solution to our question. For part B.